Okay, so my itinerary for today, work for 8 to 5, hopefully until 5:30. After that, I'm gonna go to the church kasi today is Sacred Heart. Fiesta ni Sacred Heart today. So, makikifiesta ako dito sa malapit sa amin. And then, gonna head to SM siguro to buy my necessities here. After that, actually yun pa yung hindi ko sure kung bibili ako today ng gamit ko or diretso ko sa dati kong work, yung sa office nila, and makikikulit. Okay, let's see saan tayo dadalhin nating mga paa. Okay, can I finish combing na para makaalis na ako. See you in a bit. Late na ako. Bye guys. Got home safely. Praise the Lord. Hi. So I did tidy a bit of my apartment and hindi ko siya ganun kalinis, pero yeah, I would like to introduce to you guys my apartment. So this is my kitchen. Ayan na mismo yun. Yung binili natin na induction cooker, dito siya ilalagay. That's my ref. That's so tiny. I'm 4'9" by the way. So yeah, that's how small it is. And this is my sink. Yep. Sabi sa inyo magiging, paano ba to? Raw siya. As much as possible. So yeah, makalat pa yan. Wala pa akong organizer. And this one is, tube ice maker. Tapos toothbrush ko. Makeup remover. And then yung everyday na ko. Yan. And moving forward, dito naman, ito, yan na mismo yung living room, and then yung office. And then, that's my bed. Diba? Hindi pa nagawa, tapos may kalat pa. Yeah, pero basically, yan lang yan. And then, ito, yung dito na part, closet ko naman. So, yeah, ganyan lang din siya kaliit. Yeah, tour. Just, for a 1 to 2. Kita pa yung basura. Sorry. Pero, yeah. So, kaya maliwanag kahapon kasi ganyan. So, siya. So, yun. So, yeah. Apparently, this is my grocery for this week. So, we have there the meats, the condiments, and then the veggies, and then yung cheeses. Okay. That's all. By the way, this is the current state of my refrigerator. So, as you can see, face mask. And then, leftover na pomelo cuts from 7-Eleven. Unopened na liver spread. Nilagay ko lang agad sa ref. And then, chicken spread. And then, another one for facial. So, yeah, hopefully, umabot sa point na mapuno natin yan. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Hello. So, ayan. I'm gonna test na my newly bought induction cooker from Mesa. And ngayon, kakain tayo ng mini hot pot. Bale, ang recipe ko na to, mainly itong, soup base for pork bone. I prefer mushroom. Hindi ko alam kung meron sila nun. Pero yun, mas gusto ko yung mushroom pagka nag-hotpot kami. And then, little beef. Good for 1 lang. Tapos, gulay. And then, bawang. Yun, okay na ako. Sana may mushroom. Kaya lang nakalimutan kong bumili. So, yeah, let's test. Let's do that. Yeah, testing na natin. Okay. Let's see. Okay siya. Okay na siya. Siguro nakulangan na lang ako sa mushroom, pero yeah, masarap na. Okay. Oh. Ay, naku, naging nilaga siya. Kakainis. Tapos lasang nilaga din. Kasi dinagdagan ko pa. Dapat di ko na dinagdagan. Naniwala na lang ako sa soup base na kakainis. Anyway. Yeah. Kita niyo pa yung basura ko. Sorry. Well, yeah, that's my food for tonight. So, yun. Kain lang ako. And then, siguro maglilinis. Tapos, sleep na. Yeah, that sums up my day. So, yun. Unfortunately, we weren't able to go to my previous job. Dun sa office. I heard na it's at night nila. So, ayun. Siguro some other time, you'll see eventually gaano ka-ingay and kakulit yung previous job ko and how much I love those people. But yeah, calling, no? May iba't iba tayo na gustong i-pursue sa buhay. So, kahit masakit, yeah, kailangan na harapin and yun. Good thing na okay yung samahan. Kaya, nakakabalik pa rin from time to time. And yun. So, yeah, that sums up my day. Good night, everybody. I hope na nag-enjoy din kayo sa buhay nyo dyan. And, yeah, don't forget to thank the Lord for surviving this day.